Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to check network speed in Windows. Chapter 1. How to check network speed from menu. To start, open the control panel from Start. Then click on Networks and Internet. After that, click on the Network and Sharing Center. Here, click on the name of the network used. In the speed line, you can see the speed of the adapter. Chapter 2. How to check network speed with application. To begin, go to the link we leave you in the video description. Here, download the version for Windows. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. After this, select the file, click Extract All. Defines where the content will be extracted. When it is done, go to the folder. After that, right-click and click on Open in Terminal. If you need to open the local listening port, run IPERF 3.x-s. You can cancel this operation whenever you need by using the Ctrl+C keys. Then to find out the local speed, run the command IPERF 3.x-c IP address. Pressing Enter will begin the analysis. You can use the local IP or that of another computer on the network. At the end, you find all the details of the network speed. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.